This is a round 1 or round 2 question depending on the student actually. So what is given here is fx is equal to maximum of this and this, where x is a positive real number. What is the minimum possible value of fx, round off to the 1 decimal place. Now just observe these kind of functions. First of all, if I say fx is equal to maximum of x minus 3 comma 2 minus x, right? So actually there are two functions. So when we say, let's say f2, so f2 will be maximum of 2 minus 3 comma 2 minus 2, which is nothing but maximum of minus 1 comma 0, and your answer will be the larger value between the two, so it will be 0, right? So this is a function kind of this. Now if you see, you need to find the minimum value of this, right? How can you find this? There are two ways of solving it. If you see, this x minus 3 is an increasing function and 2 minus x is a decreasing function, right? So these two will give you a minimum value when this 2 will become equal, right? Or you can observe this by graph also. The graph of x minus 3 will be like this and 2 minus x will be like this, right? And the function states about the maximum of these values. So when we say x, when x is less than this critical point, this meeting point, the function will be like this, because let's say at x equal to this, I have this value and this value, but I have to take the maximum value out of this. That means I'll remove these values and I'll take the upper part only. Similarly, after the intersection point, again I'll get two values, one this, but I'll retain the upper value again. So this is the graph. That means the graph of this function will look like this, right? And you can clearly see the minimum value of the graph will be at the intersection point, or when x minus 3 is equal to 2 minus x, or when x is equal to 2.5, right? So, and the minimum value of the function is minus 0.5 here. Similarly, I need to apply this logic in the actual function. So again, I can see that the values of x log x base 10 should be equal to 101 minus 10x, right? This is a tricky problem to solve. So if you just see, the values are very much clear here. When you put x equal to 10, this equation will be satisfied, right? So at x is equal to 10, my function will be maximum of log 10 base 10, or 101 minus 10 into 10. In any case, will come out to be 1, hence the correct option is option A.